Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today because today I have my Margot Elena box and it is one of my favorite boxes to unbox. It is a box full of surprises. As a rule, you might see 2 or 3 spoilers if you pay attention throughout the season, but for the fall box, I think I saw 3 spoilers and I have no idea what else is in this box. And it is generally full of bath and body, and I just love that because the other boxes don't address that. They say on the website that Margot Elena is an international perfumer and designer who is reinventing the modern bath and body category. So I just love it. I just love this box. Let's get in here and see what I've got. The Margot Elena box is $49.95 seasonally, and it comes with more than $200 in product inside, but it sells out quickly. This is the fall box. So the spring and summer box sold out just a week or so after everybody received their boxes and they started being on YouTube. This fall box is already sold out. It sold out before people even got their boxes. So I would suggest, if after seeing this you have any interest, you think about signing up for the winter box soon, and they probably will charge you right away. So maybe set a reminder for about a month before the box comes out, which would be 2 months from now, and then go in and purchase it if you want. But I'm just afraid that they're going to sell out before those of us who've already purchased them even have them to show you. Let's see what we've got. I mean, it's even on the outside. Look at this. It has the pretty sticker on it. It is just a beautiful box, and it's filled with bath and body items that are not just pretty, but they're good. You know, I have used lotions and bath and body gel, and I just love it all. Making beauty more beautiful is what the box says. And as we open it, this is what we see. See how pretty this is? Fall into beauty. And it's got Margot Elena subscription box 08. And right on top, we have the pamphlet that's going to tell us everything we need to know about what's inside. And when we open it, it's so pretty. This is what we see. Ooh, something on top. All right, the pamphlet says Nest Fall 2019. And this is what it looks like. And it's so pretty. These poppies are such a gorgeous fall color. So pretty. And on the inside, it just lists what we've received. And I won't read ahead. And on the back, it says, see you in the next box. Let's reach right in and get that fabric piece that we saw on top and see what it is. It is Made with Love by Margot Elena. And it says Made with Love on the top too, but we still don't know what it is. I think I have an idea. This was one of the spoilers, but they did not show you what it was. They just showed you this with the little swath of fabric. Oh, it's 2 things. This is getting more and more interesting. What is this? Just I would say like a table runner, just for the middle of a table. It is beautiful. Look, I hope you can see the big poppies, the golden color, and this darkish tealish green. It is beautiful. And I would say it is just a table runner. If I was guessing, probably, I don't have to guess anymore. This will tell us. It is, oh, it's a kitchen towel. It says it's a happy home kitchen towel, and it's $22 value. You know what? I think I'm going to use it for what I said. I think I'm going to leave it open and gorgeous like this, because can you guys tell how big it is? And I think I'm going to put it right in the middle of my dining room table with a nice, in the middle. I think it's gorgeous. And underneath we have, what do we have? We have an apron that matches it. I'm going to be so fancy in the kitchen. And it is almost the same fabric. It has the same flowers on it and the golden accents, and that teal color is what is in the ties, but it doesn't have the teal foliage in it, so there is a difference. I cannot wait. I will absolutely use this. It is beautiful. Let's see what our pamphlet says about that. 2 products in, and I love this box. I'm telling you, it is my favorite box to unbox. This says, Made with Love apron, happy home, $32 value. So 2 products in, and it's covered the cost of the box because those two products would be $52. Now the box is $49.95 per season, but there's also shipping. I think the shipping was $5.99 for me, but it probably depends on where they're shipping it to. Without further ado, let's dig right in. And I have Lalia Always in Rose Hibiscus Perfumed Shower Gel. I received a shower gel from them last month. I wish I could remember the scent of it, that I have used so much. It is such a lovely scent. And this says number 39 on top. I don't know what that means. This says Always in Rose Perfumed Shower Gel is $22. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like rose hibiscus. It is such a beauty. If you do not care for rose, you would not like this. But it smells just like rose with just another hint of flower in there, which is, I suspect, the hibiscus. But look how beautiful her packaging is. Everything, you're going to hear me say that a million times. Beautiful, gorgeous, lovely, splendid, any other word that I can think that goes with these, because it is beautiful. Okay. Reaching right in next, we have Bon Bath Bubbling Bath number 12, Citrus Zest, Rosewood, Mimosa, and Mandarin. And it is by Tokyo Milk. I love the Tokyo Milk products. I did not even know that until I got my last box. And since then, in my LUXSB, I'll put that video up here, I received a Tokyo Milk perfume that is a wonderful scent. Oh my, this is so, it smells just like citrus. I can't even tell you how good this smells. Citrus, rosewood, mimosa, and mandarin. I don't know what, there's citrus, but it's got that floral behind it. It is beautiful. There we go again. This says that the Bon Bon Bubble Bath Mini by Tokyo Milk has an $8 value. And that is what it looks like. It is so, I can't even express to you how good this smells. It smells so good. Next, we have, ooh, something wrapped up in tissue. Wonder what it is. It's very soft in here. Doesn't feel like something that would need to be wrapped. This is like Christmas. Ooh, it's soft because of bubble wrap. This is getting more and more exciting. All right. This is the Library of Flowers Perfume Crema, Perfumed Cream in True Vanilla. And this is what that looks like. It's very pretty. It doesn't feel like glass, so I can't imagine it needed to be wrapped up that well, but I appreciate that they did it. And let's see what this smells like. That is the beauty of all of these products. What did I say the name of it was? True Vanilla. You know what this smells like? True Vanilla. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. There's something about it though that smells like a really, you know, there are different vanilla scents. Some smell like ice cream, like vanilla ice cream, like wow, that's too sweet. And some of them just have a truer, almost muskier vanilla scent. That's what this is. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand just to, oh, so creamy. Have I mentioned that I really like this box because I like it just a little bit? Oh my goodness. Guys, I hate that this is sold out. You know, I don't often say, no, seriously, you should order this box. But if any of this appeals to you, you should seriously consider the winter box because this is fantastic. I think I'm going to go on and order a second winter box for gifts because these would be incredible Christmas gifts. And for $50, if you could get even 3 gifts out of all of the products, I'll move on and take something else out of the box. Next I have, I'm going to fail this as an eye test. We all know I'm going to fail it. It says on the front, this too small? Gee, you know what they say, that the vision is the first thing to go. Happy birthday. So it's a little birthday card. Oh, there's several cards. I didn't dig deep enough. Let's open this one and see if they say anything on the inside. These are from Tokyo Milk. So, oh, you know what? I did not tell you how much that cream was worth. Let's go back. The cream, this cream, it is $21. Okay, back to the cards. I get so excited it's hard to stay on point. So it is a card with with a sweet little envelope that matches. And they're just this size. So they're not tiny like mini cards, but they are smaller than an average card. And the inside is blank, so you can write whatever you want, which I actually love because, as I discussed in one of the videos that I just did, I love a handwritten personal note. I think it says so much. I'm probably old-fashioned. Next I have, how thoughtful of you. Thank you. And it is a skull with a glitter on the top. I guess that's the part of your brain where you think, but I hope you can see that glitter. This is very interesting. I actually know who I'm going to send this to next time I need a thank you card. Anyway, oh, this is so nice. This one is really interesting. It has a very vintage look to it. Like they're dancing the minuet or something. And underneath it says, please, he had a fit before we left because he had a run in his stocking. Don't even get me started on that wig. So just for a little note for a girlfriend, that's adorable. And this one, oh, has little kitty cats on it, and it also has glitter. Hope that's coming through. And it says, it would be mere moments from now that the humans would return home and they would see if their plan had worked. I wonder what their plan is. So we have 4 adorable stationery cards, and this says it has a value of $22. I mean, yes, when you go to the store and you buy a really nice card, it is $5, maybe even $6, but these are kind of small cards, so that's the first thing that I've ever felt might be a little inflated, but still, I love them, and I'll use them. Jumping in next, we have Allure by Margot Elena, is what the bag says. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a tiny little bottle of some sort. Oh, it's so pretty. It says Eau Parfum number 25, trademark Lalia, Dream, White Tea and Honeysuckle. And that is the front that has those words I just said. And that is the back. It is so pretty. What a sweet bottle. Let's see what it smells like. White tea and honeysuckle. I smell the honeysuckle. I'm sniffing it like I'm looking for the white tea when I'm not sure I know what white tea smells like. Let's put a little bit on. This is just so old-fashioned. Oh, it's cleaner than you think it's going to be once you get it on. It doesn't have that, oh, I'm wearing my grandmother's honeysuckle perfume scent. Oh, it is fresher than that and so nice. I love it. Let's see how much that would be. $11. That seems very fair for a perfume. Next I have Tokyo Milk Age of Aquarius Bon Bon Lip Balm. And this is another, they just get me with the packaging. Look how pretty that packaging is. It is so, I mean, all of it, every side is different and pretty. I mean, and then the top, lip balm. They went to all that effort. This is what the inside looks like. It has a pretty Tokyo Milk by Margot Elena top. And it's just a little lip balm. And it is Age of Aquarius. Are you curious? Well, I am curious now. Oh, what is that? Nope, I don't think I know what that scent is. Let's see if this gives us any clue. Age of Aquarius Lip Balm, Neptune and the Mermaid, $10. Well, now is when I should be embarrassed for not knowing the scent, because one of the scents that they sent me in my LUXSB box was the Tokyo Milk, Neptune and Mermaid, and I have worn it several times. It does not smell like this. This has a more citrusy smell than it does, but it smells fantastic and it will get used. Oh, there's a little, it looks like there's a little piece of paper in the bottom. It does not give us any inclination as to what the flavor is, but I will tell you that it is made with olive oil and castor oil, beeswax, so if you're vegan, that won't work for you, cocoa seed butter, hemp seed oil, vitamin E, rosemary leaf extract, aloe vera. It is made full of wonderful stuff as long as you're not vegan. Next I have Lalia Perfumed Shea Butter, Midnight Garden, and Wildflower Hand Cream. And that is what that looks like. Have I won you over with the packaging yet? They say that this is the travel size and it is $15 and it is, again, beautiful. Let's see what it smells like because, oh, I gotta punch it and it doesn't have a puncher. Okay, I might have happened to have had a knife around. Good, I have a knife for opening all these boxes. Let's see what this feels. Oh, it feels really creamy and nice. Oh, it smells nice. Very subtle. What did I say that was? Honeysuckle maybe again? Midnight Garden and Wildflower. Yeah, it definitely has a very floral scent. So, what I have discovered from this box is if you are not into florals, this is probably not the box for you. Okay, let's see what's next. I have a Margot Elena Daydream Sea Mud Clay Mask. All skin types, 100% natural, no preservatives. Exfoliate, balance, and tone. Live the full life of the mind, exhilarated by new ideas, intoxicated by the romance of the unusual. Do you know who said it? Ernest Hemingway. See, that was a little Jeopardy question thrown in there for you. And this is what that mask box looks like. And this is what the mask looks like. So I cannot wait to try this. And this has a value of $12. Okay, and I think I have one thing left. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Violet Fig and Black Currant Hand and Body Light Lotion. And it's a big one. It is so pretty. Again. And look, it has a little leaf on top. I think this might just slides right up. And ta-da! A nice lotion. Your skin has been craving this. Smooth onto your hands and body to quench thirsty skin. Bursting with orchard-ripe botanicals, plants, and herb essences, our specially formulated moisturizing treatment is a light and generous enriched lotion with macadamia oil and mango butter. Let's see what it smells like. That's what the bottle looks like. I have to put it up on my arm. I've smeared so many things on. Oh, it's very light. Very nice and light. You could put this on. You could definitely put this. It's kind of got a little slightly greenish smell to it. But it's going away quickly. You could absolutely use this and use like your perfume and have no issues. And that is a $28 value lotion. So the value of the box, according to Margot Elena, is $201. So in review, we received this nice Cottage Greenhouse body and hand lotion, this beautiful Tokyo Milk bubble bath, this Lalia hand cream, a face mask, the lip balm, this adorable little perfume, the Library of Flowers vanilla body lotion, the Lalia bath gel, the 4 cards, not done yet, this gorgeous apron, and this hand towel, which is huge, which I will be using as a table runner. And that is Margot Elena. It did not disappoint again. I just love this box. Tell me below, seriously, what do you guys think? So if this is a box that you think you would like, I would probably set a calendar reminder for the beginning to mid-November to go ahead and go in and order it. It probably doesn't ship until the beginning of December, but it's better than missing it if you think it's something you'd like. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you all really soon. Bye!